love and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Today we have an amazing medley of rainbow potatoes and whole grain brown rice. We begin with 4 cups of brown rice, and this is an Italian brown rice that comes in a vacuum packed bag. To this we add 6 cups of water. This is enough when you use it in an instant pressure cooker, but if you use a regular cooker, you would add 2 more cups of water. 2 tablespoons of salt, coarse salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. This is all we need for the basic brown rice. Now we are going to do something special to it. We are going to add some herbs and seasonings. And we're going to take our frozen herbs that we have, scallions, the other ones have shallots and cilantro. So we're adding a little bit of each so we have amazing and delicious brown rice with all its flavor. The shallots, the scallions, and the cilantro are frozen with no extra ingredients. They're frozen, chopped, and on their own. This is our delicious basic brown rice for everyone. We mix this and place a rack on top. On top of the rack, we are going to add a bag of potato medley, roots and tubers, and a sweet potato with a yam. Both of them sliced about 3/4 of an inch thick. Whole grains, roots, and tubers in one pot. So we add everything on top of the rice. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of the potatoes so that they have some taste too. And cover the pot. After this, we cook it for 20 minutes in medium and voila, everything is perfectly cooked. And you have enough servings for a lot of people, and if you're not a lot, you can use it for the whole week. Some can be stored in the refrigerator, some can even be frozen in portion bags. You can have all of your whole grains, roots, and tubers made in one pot without having to check anything. Now look at the rice. This is perfectly made brown rice. Open, beautiful, fluffy, and with lots and lots of flavor. You can refrigerate it to serve it later if you have a dinner party. And you can just serve it right as is if you want it to be made when everyone's there. We're going to place the potatoes in the serving pan and drizzle a little extra olive oil and salt to them on the top. With the rice, we are going to place it in a serving pan, and then we're going to add some herbs to it, just to decorate it and serve it. You can also add dried fruit, you can also add nuts, anything you want. With Chef Pachi, remember, delicious food is always great and healthy. We can eat everything with Chef Pachi's recipes. Enjoy!
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates. Recipes for people on the go.